Hi guys, I'm back with Kieran's Gaming. I'm going to put another video on today about cooking. Might be up about time this is up. And as you can tell by the title, we're doing...
It's not my phone.
Fidget toys.
Not my phone.
It's in the morning.
No, pick one out now. Okay,
I'll
first
pick this one.
Is the green
Fidget spinner. It just spins.
Satisfying.
Does it on the floor as well.
So the first one's green. I got this off Amazon. It was £3. One of various
This
clouds.
is mine. Right. So this is mine. Yellow and red one. And then this is
my
Kieran's.
camouflage one. I got a £5 from town. I don't know how.
This is my fidget snake. It's very small because I built it. And you just go like that. Yeah, just go like that.
This is George's fidget cube. Camouflage
£3
green.
off eBay. And this is my that one. It has blue, green, and red bearing.
It's my white one.
Let's use spins for the light. 3, 2, go. Who's gonna win? 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 Who's gonna win?
Hey George, you got a charger?
It looks so weird on camera. Look, it looks so weird.
Did you got a charger? Go put that on charge.
No, after. Look how slow it looks like it's doing in the thing.
It's my white one. This is my fastest one, probably.
This is mine fastest one.
What's your favourite one?
You can't even see it.
My favourite one is this one, just because it's kind of...
This is my favourite one.
So that is all we've got.
I don't make my video.
Subscribe.
I'm sorry that the lighting was bad as well. Bye.